Hey and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process of adding collections to your Shopify store. Collections are a great way to organize your products and make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. So let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the collections section. You can find this by clicking on the Products tab on the left-hand menu and then selecting Collections. Once here, it's now time to create your first collection. Click on the Create Collection button. And here, you'll need to provide some information about your collection. Start by giving your collection a name. This should be something that accurately represents the products you'll be adding to it. Next, you will select which type of collection you'd like to create, manual or automated. Manual, you can add products to the collection one by one, and automated, you can choose products that match certain conditions. For this example, we'll go with manual to keep it simple. Next is to edit the search engine listing. This is how people preview your website on search engine platforms like Google. So here, you'll want to include your brand name, page info, or other relevant keywords. This helps your collection appear higher in search results, driving more eyes to your store. You can add an image if you want to give your collection a unique look and customize its appearance. Upload a cover image that represents the collection and adjust the layout settings to your likings. This is for your customers to see what's in the collection and how they preview it. So choose something that represents what's in the collection. Take a moment to review everything to make sure it's all accurate, and once you're satisfied with the collection details and appearance, don't forget to click the Save button. Your collection is ready, but it's empty right now, so let's fix that by adding products to it. You can do this by going to your products page and selecting which items you want to add to your collection. Select a product, then click on Add to Collection, and select the collection you'd like to add it to, then click Save. Want to control the order in which products are displayed within the collection? No problem. You can easily drag and drop products to rearrange their order. If you click on a product, you can see what collections it's currently in and can easily add or remove it from the collections. Next, you can see how you can display your collections in your store. First, go to the online store down on the left, click on Themes, and then click Customize. Your theme editor will open up, then scroll down. Add a section and click the Featured Collection. Here, you'll be able to adjust the heading of the collection and a description. This can help with SEO if you add your website keywords. Next, let's select the collection you'd like to display. Now search for the collection you'd like and click Select. Lastly, you can select the amount of products you'd like to display per row. Make sure while doing this to test how it looks on both mobile version and desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add collections to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.